Hey there, welcome back to my channel Technical Spark. This is Sohan and in this video I will show you how you can update your Windows 10 operating system online and offline. And if in case you encounter any problem while updating your Windows 10, then I will also let you know how to overcome from those issues. So let's start the video. Guys, before updating your computer, always check what is the build version of your current operating system so that accordingly you can take a decision whether you really need to update your operating system or not. To check your current build, you can simply go to the Run, or you can also press Windows plus R button to open the Run window and type WinVer command, WINVER, and press on OK. So here it will show you what is your current Microsoft Windows version. My version is 1903 and OS build version is 18362. So first let's validate this version. To validate this, just open any of the browser and just search Windows 10 release information and click on enter. Click on the very first link, Windows 10 release information, Microsoft Docs. The page is open. Just scroll down little bit. This is the place to validate your Windows 10 version. So currently my version is version 1903. So this is the version 1903. And my build number is 18362. 18362. And currently latest version available which is 2004. Guys, before you update to the latest version, I'll suggest to check the known issue and notification. Here it will give the complete information that what are the fixes Microsoft has included in this version. You can just go through it. You can also check for the resolved issue for each update. Let's open the primary page. Since my version is not updated, so I'm going to update my version to the latest one. Close this browser. Close this as well. To update your Windows operating system, you will have to go to the Start and select Settings and click on Update and Security. As you can see, my Windows is already updated as per the version 1903. Now to go to the latest version, first of all we need to download 1909 update. This is a major update, that's why we got the option here, download and install. So just click on this and your Windows operating system will download the update and install automatically. But before you update, if you have multiple computer in your network where your PC is connected, I'll recommend to go to the delivery options. And here we have the option allow downloads from other PC. So what it does basically, if you have multiple computer, means 2 or more, and any of the PC is updated to the latest version, then whenever you perform update for your Windows 10 operating system, it will first check for your local computer. If those are updated, then it will directly download Windows update file from your nearby computer instead of going to the internet. So this is very useful command. So make sure in delivery optimization, your first option is on. And if you are running with a low bandwidth, then you can go to the advanced option. Here you can control the download settings. For an example, limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the background. Which means if you are working in any of the application, in this situation your computer will only consume 45% of your bandwidth. And if you are just updating your Windows 10 and none of the other applications are open, then it will utilize 90% of the bandwidth which is available. There is more settings are available. You can just go through it. Back. Since my Windows is not updated, so let me download and install latest update to my PC. My downloading is started. And guys, in some case, if your Windows is continuously downloading the updates, at that time you can simply click on this pause button so that it will stop downloading the updates for your computer for next 7 days. Guys, we have another option, change active hours. So if you have specified your active hours, then in that time your system will not download or install any of the update in your computer. The third option is if you want to check what are the updates is already installed in your PC, you can check all the installed updates in your PC simply by clicking on this third option. It will give the complete information along with the date when this update is installed in your PC or if this is failed. The fourth option is advanced options. Apart from Windows updates, you want to update other Microsoft applications such as Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word. So you can simply turn on this first option. And this is a very important update notification. So guys, I'll recommend to turn on this notification so that whenever your PC is required restart, it will provide you the pop-up message. Guys, while updating the Windows 10 operating system, if you face any issue, then Microsoft provide us the error code. You can simply search that error code on the internet and it will provide you the solution. Let me show you one more article which will help you in the future. On the internet, just search for how to update Windows 10. Click on the very first link. Guys, in this article, there is a lots of helpful information is available. For an example, if you get any error while updating the Windows 10, then you can simply click on this link. This link will give you some common error code which you will get while updating the Windows 10. And Microsoft has already provided the solution for that. You just have to tick your Windows operating system version and it will provide you the solution. Second is, if you are facing any issue while activating your Windows 10 license, then click on this second link. The third link is, if your Windows 10 updates are getting downloaded but you are facing some trouble while installing them, then just click on this third link. In fourth link, there is some FAQ available. And in fifth link, Microsoft always provide the latest version details in this link. And here we have the option check for Windows 10 updates. If you click on this link, it will land us on the same page of Windows 10 update. My Windows 10 is updated to the version 1909. So let's restart the PC. Update and restart. Guys, whenever your system installing updates while restarting or shutting down, please don't shut down your PC or turn off the power cable, because it may cause some serious damage to your operating system, which will force you to format your computer, and there are chances that you might lose your some of the data. So please take a note of it. System is restarted. So now let's check the Windows 10 update version again. Just go to the run and type the same command and click on OK. Microsoft Windows version 1909. So it is got updated from 1903 to 1909. That's it for this video. Guys, I believe now you have understood how to update Windows 10 operating system. If you still have any questions or queries, please let me know in the comment box below. I will definitely try to answer all your queries. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now to receive more amazing video like this, and press on the bell icon so that you will never miss my new video notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.